All right, this is a brand new screen. What's brand new about it? Well, it's all part of boing, Windows 8. That's right. That's the extent of my technical capabilities, folks. I hit a button, this stuff popped up. But the person who knows a lot more about these things, Julian Sanders from London Drugs. Windows 8, I know that Microsoft as a corporation has a lot riding on this. So what's so special about Windows 8? I hear, revolutionary. I hear the phrase biggest changes in a decade. So what makes Windows 8 way different than Windows 7?
Well, they're trying to make the same operating system work on tablets, smartphones, and computers. So it doesn't matter if you have a touch screen, a keyboard and mouse, or your smartphone. It's one operating system to get used to, and all of your stuff syncs very easily back and forth from all of them. They've also removed the start button. A lot of people are used to turning on the computer, hitting start, and these are showing you the new start screens. So there's no more looking in the corner trying to figure out what programs to open. It's all there ready for you to open and use.
And I think one of the things you pointed out for, quite frankly, people like me who aren't the most tech savvy in the world, far from it, they've really thought of people like me with the setup here.
You got it, yeah, because you can see on these tiles, these are called live tiles, so if these ones are not moving right now, but if you scroll over a little bit, it'll show you information that'll update. So those little news articles that are changing, you can see you still have all your traditional applications that you're used to using. And if you get used to a couple of different things with the layout. This is the traditional desktop, and there's full screen internet with just one click. So here's a very fancy website with a lot of content that doesn't load correctly on some tablets, and you can get it all without trying on Windows 8.
So when we talk about Windows 8 versus other, so Windows 8, and I know there's so many people out there who are huge, Apple fans, and you get into that argument or the discussion with people, one versus the other. Is this a way for Microsoft to sort of, I'm not going to say catch up, but do some of the things that Apple has done, or have they sort of raised the bar?
They're trying to do a no-compromise solution. So it is raising the bar in that you don't have to worry about having a different operating system to get used to on your tablet or on your computer. It's one just for all of them. There's a traditional desktop like you're used to seeing on Windows, plus all of the new features that make it very quick and easy to just turn your computer on and start using it. You don't have to worry about what's happening in the background and how it's working. All of those are settings and things are still there. If you want to go find them, they're all just a few clicks away. So it's not there. It's not like they're eliminating the technical people out of it either.
All right. And for guys like me, if I want to load this into my existing computer, do I have to bring the computer in, or is this something I can do at home?
You can do it at home. It's a good idea to, of course, back your computer up first. There's a promotional price on it of $69 to start off, starting tomorrow. So if you have an old XP Vista or Windows 7 machine, it's really affordable. Okay, fair enough then. Julian Sanders, some very interesting information regarding Windows 8. We'll see how it works out for the Microsoft Corporation, for all these shareholders out there. Julian, thanks again. Thanks, Jeff.